Hello guys, what's up? And my name is Present Sanghamika and I'm back here with another video. Today we are going to plot GPS data into map using Python, of course. This tutorial is a bit different from my previous video. In previous video I use my name to create animation. Okay, and today we are going to plot GPS data into map. Okay, latitude and longitude, of course. Okay, so first of all, let me create I have created this map.py file. Okay, first of all I'm going to make a virtual environment called map. I'm just gonna name it map plotter. Okay, now as you can see here, my environment has successfully been created and I'm in that environment. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put install Folium. Okay, Folium is a library that we are going to use for our project. Okay, you can do this, but I'm not going to create this. I'm not going to install it because I have already installed it in another virtual environment. I just wanted to show you the process. Okay, I'm just going to say this. I have already created install Folium. Okay, here is the Folium. Okay, so all I can do is I can say import Folium. Okay, now first of all what I want to do is create a map object. Okay, I'm just gonna call it map. I'm just going to say small Folium dot map. Okay, now I need to enter latitude and longitude. Okay, it accepts this parameter, so I'm just going to say 28.3. This is the latitude and longitude of my country, Nepal. Okay, 84.1220. Now I'm going to say zoom starts at 8. Zoom stars mean when you just open the map.html, that it will create how much zoom in or zoom out you want the map to be. Okay, you will understand it in a bit. First of all, let me generate map. Okay, this will generate map. Okay, so all you need to do is say save and the name of the file. You can write anything here, just remember to write .html later. I'm just gonna say nepal.html. okay, you can write literally anything. Okay, so as you can see here that the nepal.html has been generated. It does all the work for us. Okay, of course you can change the things here if you want, but for this video I'm not going to do that. Okay, now if I go into Nepal, as you can see here it shows Nepal. Okay, now what are we going to do is we are going to use plotter. Okay, we are going to use marker. Okay, so let's say create marker. Now I'm going to say Folium.marker, and I will have to specify longitude and latitude that I want to mark. Okay, I'm just going to go to Google and say longitude of octopus Darwin square. Okay, I'm just gonna copy this and paste it here, then copy this and paste it here. Okay, and then what I'm gonna say is, wait, let me create a variable called mes. Okay, I'm just gonna say the string hello, then I'm going to say pop up, strong, strong. Okay, I'm just gonna do this and do this and say wow. There's a comma, and now this is tooltip. Okay, this is pretty cool. I'm just gonna name it ms, this variable that I have created above. Okay, let me add this to my map. Okay, add this to my map. Let's see if it works. Okay, there seems to be a syntax error here. Oh, okay, I forgot comma here, my bad. Okay, now let's go back to our nepal.html. As you can see here, there is a marker here. Okay, you can plot this GPS data like this. Okay, you can zoom in, and this is the Bhaktapur Darbar square. Okay, okay, so we have successfully plotted our data. And by the way, if I click in here, it will say, if I hover over it, it will say hello. Okay, and if I click, it will say wow. This wow is this message. It is called tooltip mess. Okay, and this pop up, of course, wow. You can write anything. Okay, you can change it to say let's say cool Darbar square. If I save this and run this again, all I need to do is refresh. It's save Bhaktapur Darbar square. Okay, so this is how you can plot latitude and longitude in map using Python. Okay, this is actually really fun. This is basic tutorial on how to get started with this library. I will probably see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.